Workday Adaptive Planning FinTech Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get financial planning software wrong. They assume it's complicated and slow. The surprising truth about Workday Adaptive Planning is its powerful, cloud-based planning and forecasting tools, and you won't believe how much time it can save finance teams while improving accuracy. Here's how it works. Workday Adaptive Planning provides budgeting, forecasting, and reporting solutions for businesses of all sizes. Users can create dynamic models, collaborate in real time, and adjust plans instantly based on actual performance. For example, a finance team can model multiple scenarios for revenue, expenses, and cash flow, then share insights with executives instantly. Most people get this wrong. They assume spreadsheets are enough, but Workday automates calculations, reduces errors, and offers a centralized data source. Additional features include dashboard visualizations, integration with ERP and HR systems, and predictive analytics for more informed decision-making. Users also appreciate cloud accessibility, allowing teams to collaborate from anywhere. However, there are considerations. The platform has a learning curve, and smaller teams may require training to maximize its features. Most people assume setup is instant. It takes planning and configuration to get full value. In conclusion, Workday Adaptive Planning is ideal for finance teams seeking accuracy, speed, and collaboration in budgeting and forecasting. Its robust tools and cloud-based flexibility make it a top choice for modern financial planning. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech and business software.